In today's video, we are going to talk about how to install Ubuntu in VirtualBox. Well, this is my VirtualBox, and first of all, we need to create a new machine. So just click on this new button, and from here, name your machine anything. I'll name it as Ubuntu. Well, the type is Linux and the version will be Ubuntu 64-bit because I am using 64-bit system, and if you are using 32-bit, go with 32-bit option. After that, click on next. From here, assign the RAM to your virtual machine. I'll go above 5 gigabytes, then click on next. After that, click on create. From here, keep everything as it is, click on next and leave it as it is and again click on next. After that, this is the directory where you will be installing your Ubuntu. I'll change my directory. You can go to anywhere in your system. So this is my directory. I will just open this one, click on save. And from here, we have to assign the hard disk space. The minimum required is 20 gigabytes. I'll give it around 25 gigabytes. Click on create and we are done with everything. Now we have to do some settings related to this virtual machine. Make sure to check your Ubuntu and click on settings from here. From here, we have to do some more things. First of all, go to your systems and go to your processor and assign the number of processors to your newly created virtual machine. I'll assign 3 of them. Then in terms of display, you can change the video memory. You can go to 128 megabytes or you can leave it as default. After that, go to your storage and from here under the controller IDE, we have empty. Click on this and from here, click on this drop down arrow along with CD disk. Click on this one and from here, we'll choose our ISO file that we have downloaded for Ubuntu. Click on choose a disk file and go to the directory where you have downloaded your Ubuntu. This is my ISO file. I'll just double click on this one and then click on OK. We are done with everything and now we just need to click on this start button. And here the installation process has just begun. It will take a little bit of time, so be patient. Here our Ubuntu just got launched. From here, click on install Ubuntu. Select your keyboard layout. I'll go with the English. Click on continue. Here it is asking about updates and other software. Leave everything as it is. Click on continue. Basically here you have two options, normal installation and minimal one. Well, in minimal one, you will get the web browser and basic utilities and not the other softwares. And down here, we have download updates while installing Ubuntu. Well, if you have good internet connection, all the needed updates will be downloaded during the installation process. If you do not have internet connection, leave this option out of it and just click on continue. Now from here, it is asking about the installation type. Go with the first option and click on install now. Click on continue and confirm it. From here, select the location. After that, again click on continue. Write your name here and this will be your PC name as well. After that, write your password, confirm your password. After that, just click on continue. And now the installation process has just begun. It will take a little bit of time. So be patient and I will get back to you when we are done with the installation process. We are done with the installation process as it says installation complete, and now we need to reboot our system. So just click on reboot now and it will restart our Ubuntu into our VirtualBox. From here, just press enter. And now the machine will restart and we'll be able to use our Ubuntu in our VirtualBox. So here we have successfully restarted our Ubuntu and now just enter your password. I will enter my password, hit enter, and here we have our Ubuntu up and running. So now you can just update and upgrade your Ubuntu and you can start using it. And that brings us to the end of today's video. We'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care.